Hello and welcome to today's video tutorial on how to use Material app in Kivymd with an example. In this tutorial, we will go over the basics of how to use Material app in Kivymd, and we will walk you through a simple example to help you understand the process. First, let's start with some background information. Kivy is an open source Python framework used for developing mobile and desktop applications. Kivymd is a library built on top of Kivy that allows developers to easily create material design interfaces for their applications. Now let's dive into the example. We will be creating a simple login screen using Material app in Kivymd. Here are the steps we will be taking. Our first step is import the necessary modules. We will start by importing the necessary modules, which include Kivy, Kivymd, and Kivy.uix.screenManager. Create the login screen class. Next, we will create a class called login screen that inherits from Kivy.uix.screenManager.screen. We will define the layout of the screen using Kivymd widgets, including a text input for the username and password and a login button. Our third step is define the Material app. We will create a class called MyApp that inherits from Kivymd.app.mdapp. We will define the theme and title of the app, and we will add the login screen as the initial screen. And our fourth step is run the app. Finally, we will run the app by creating an instance of MyApp and calling its run method. Now quickly I type the complete code and meet you later. That's it. We have successfully created a login screen using Material app in Kivymd. You can customize this code to fit your own project needs and explore the different widgets and layout available in Kivymd. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding.